Hello, my name is Kayla Myers. Thank you for joining me today as I discuss OnBase Agenda. OnBase Agenda is part of the OnBase Agenda management suite of products. These suite of products enables government organizations, corporations, and universities to effectively manage a variety of meeting types by automating the process of creating meetings and meeting documents, gathering votes and minutes during the meeting, and then publishing meeting information to their website. OnBase Agenda allows meeting clerks to create meetings, meeting documents, agenda items, and supporting material. These can all be compiled and packaged for easy distribution to stakeholders, council members, and others. Other staff can create agenda items, upload related documents, and route items through workflow for review and approval. Agenda items are created via Unity forms. Therefore, anywhere a Unity form is accessible in your organization, so are these agenda items. This makes it easy for agenda item reviewers and approvers to take action on items in whichever OnBase client they're used to doing workflow in, whether it's the web client, Unity client, or your Outlook integration. Another product is OnBase Agenda-to-Go, which is a mobile product available on iOS iPads that allows board members to prepare for the meeting by reviewing all the meeting material, including agenda items and supporting documentation. It provides the ability to securely take notes on the meeting, flag agenda items of interest, mark up supporting documents, and share note annotations via email to staff. This is a great way to eliminate paper meeting packets. Another product is OnBase Agenda Online, which is a customizable web portal that allows the publication of meeting documents and videos to your website with a single click, making information available to shareholders and others. In conjunction, agenda items supporting material can be easily selected for publication to the website. An interactive user experience with the meeting agenda leads others to the correct materials for items without having the need to download large meeting packets. Another product is OnBase Minutes. OnBase Minutes streamlines the meeting process. It provides a means to record motions, votes, minutes, and other facets of the meeting, including audio and video. Predefined standard comments, minutes, and motions, text help capture the discussion faster. In addition, agenda items can be added, removed, edited, and rearranged as changes occur during the meeting. Another product would be OnBase Voting. OnBase Voting is a module designed to allow individual board members during a meeting to review meeting agendas and materials, request to speak on items, and submit their motions and votes electronically. This saves work for the clerk and allows the board to be more effectively managed during the meeting proceedings. By means of a central meeting service, the OnBase Voting module provides a unique real-time collaboration between clerks using the Minutes clients and board members using the Voting client, all while displaying the meeting proceedings to the public in attendance on an overhead screen. And the last product would be the OnBase Agenda Media. The OnBase Agenda Media is not the same product as OnBase Video. This is a unique product designed specifically for live streaming and video on-demand playback of meeting video that works in conjunction with the OnBase Minutes application. It records and live streams audio and video for a meeting as well as keeps tracks of the agenda item timestamp, which allows the public in the Agenda online web portal to jump right to the correct point of the video when rewatching the meeting video on demand, as they click on the agenda items they are interested in. With options to use a Highland provided media cloud environment or integrating with an existing YouTube account, OnBase Agenda Media can provide a high-quality live and on-demand media stream that will take your meeting accessibility to the next level. So let's jump onto our server and take a look at setting up OnBase Agenda. The first thing you're going to want to do with OnBase Agenda is create an application pool. The second thing you're going to want to do is install the OnBase Agenda application. You also would want to make sure you are on a server or location that has Microsoft Word installed. Next, we're going to go into OnBase configuration, and you would want to create your document types for your agenda. So I created a document type group called Agenda, and I've created a couple document types for my agenda application. Things like the agenda, an agenda packet, supporting document. You can have as many supporting documents as you want, so maybe you want to promote something a little bit more specific. Like most OnBase modules, this is completely customizable and what is best for your organization. Of course, once you have your document types created, you would then want to create your keywords. And those should be the only two things you really need to do in the OnBase configuration client. Once you've created the keywords and the document types, you then want to create your Word template. So I have just one created, or I started creating one anyway, for my OnBase Agenda packet. So you're going to want to use tags when creating these. You can add any headers or icons that you'd like for your organization. Make sure you have those saved on a network location that you have access to. And then you want to go into your OnBase Agenda. The first thing to do in OnBase Agenda is to go to your File and Agenda Administration. From there, you would want to work your way down from the left side of the ribbon all the way to the right, creating your status types, your fields, your supporting documents, so on and so forth. This needs to be done in order for any new meetings to be created and your agenda items to be added. We can then close our agenda administration, and then we can actually start working on our OnBase agenda. So we can create a new meeting if we were provided access to do so. We have a template already configured. We could create new ones. We can change the name of the meeting, the location, who the organizer is, the date and time. We can make this a recurring meeting, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, how many days a week. We can change the range of occurrence. So we can have it occur 10 times. We can do a date range from today until the end of the year. Again, completely customizable. Once you have your meeting created, you can start creating your new agenda items. When you're creating an agenda item, you want to select the meeting that you're targeting and just start filling in your fields. Obviously, you would definitely put in more valuable information than what I'm adding. You can add any supporting documents. So maybe you want to add a file from your supporting documents screen in OnBase, or maybe you want to locate it outside of OnBase on a network location. Once you have everything saved, you can just hit save and close. And then on our main dashboard, you would see we could look at any workflow items. So if there were things needed for approval, of course, you would need to create that workflow. So you would need to log into Studio and configure that. We have our filter and our search window. So if we want to search for a specific meeting or a specific agenda item, we can do that. And right now I'm showing my OnBase meeting scheduled for June 22nd on my screen. I can go ahead and open this meeting up. I already have an agenda created from when I was doing my agenda administration. So I have my roll call as my first level. I have my first item as my level 2. And within my first item, my level 2, we have some additional levels here. And then you'll also see I now have my meeting documents over here to the right. So these are any items that were added to the meeting. I have my meeting details, and I have who's in attendance for my meeting. There's a lot of different options and customization to set up with OnBase Agenda. So I would recommend using the OnBase Agenda Module Reference Guide or reaching out to us here at RPI, and we'd be happy to help you with that. Thank you and have a great day.